Hey everyone, if you want to change the hero voice in Mobile Legends, I will show you how to do it step by step. First, open Mobile Legends and go to Settings by tapping the gear icon in the top right corner of the main screen. Next, find the language option. Tap on the selected language, tap on Voice tab, and here you will see different voice pack languages like English, Japanese, Chinese, or Indonesian. Select the language you want and the hero voice will change accordingly. After selecting the language, the game will start downloading the new voice pack. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough storage space for the update. Once the download is complete, restart the game to apply the changes. Now your heroes will speak in the selected language during matches. And that's it. Now you know how to change hero voices in Mobile Legends. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tips. See you in the next one.